Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TechBells. So today we are going to unbox a unique gadget that is a portable neckband fan. So let's start unboxing. So guys, this is the gadget that we have. Let's open the box. So guys, this is our neckband fan, and as you can see, the packaging is sleek and stylish with vibrant images showcasing the fan's features. And this is the user manual. And here is a mini USB charging cable. And finally we got our neckband fan. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight and compact this fan is. It is designed to be worn around your neck, providing a hands-free cooling experience. And this is silicone made to adjust around your neck. And this is our battery slot, and this is the power button. You have to press for 3 to 4 seconds to start this fan. Now I am going to start this fan. Remember, you have to press this button for 3 to 4 seconds. And there is a 3 mode of this fan, that is high speed, medium speed and low speed. You can adjust the mode by pressing this power button. So guys, we have taken a page to check the airflow of this fan. As you can see, the airflow is so strong in low mode as well as the strong mode. Guys, one of the standard features of this fan is its 360-degree rotation. This means you can adjust the direction of airflow according to your preference. Whether you are sitting, walking or engaged in any activity, you will always have a refreshing breeze wherever you go. The fan blades are enclosed within a protective frame, ensuring safety while using it. The materials feel durable and of high quality, and this fan will definitely give you relief from this hot environment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.